Hey, it's Jess. I'm over here hanging out with, oh, I can't zoom in, my seal buddies. I don't know if you can see them. They're in here somewhere. There's two of them. I'm in Iceland. I want to do a quick update video. Look at this hair though. Things are looking up. I did not put in any dry shampoo today, which was clutch this whole trip so far because the first several Airbnbs we stayed at had hard water. So I went a couple of days without washing, and then I finally did, and it's going really well. It's not greasy. It's not nearly as sticky. There's still some stick underneath where my undercut was, to be expected. I was worried that I'd have to spend the whole trip wearing a hat because of just how I'd been detoxing, but I feel pretty good about this day. Going super well. The volcanic ash dry shampoo is like the best. The travel shampoo and conditioner bars of soap have just been like clutch, and then all my little travel regular shampoos have been amazing. I'm gonna try to do a detox mask, I think in a couple of days when we get a good Airbnb where I can soak my hair and rinse it well afterwards. But things are going really good. I'm happy. It's feeling good. I feel like I'm on the uphill climb now, or the downhill relaxation. I don't know. I'm past the hump. So yeah, thanks for following on my journey. Stay tuned for more.